Hello students, class 11 English. Let's start our study. Today is chapter 4, Landscape of the Soul. Landscapes of the Soul. In this chapter, given about a lot of stories which related from a lot of, foreign countries and much more taken from Chinese. Okay. In Chinese story, a lot of wonderful things happen, and a lot of things also means appear and disappear on that story. And this story, in the beginning of this chapter, is taken a wonderful old tale of the told about the painter Wu Duzane, who lived in 8th century, and his last painting he had explained in this chapter about the landscape. It's commissioned by the emperor Quanzhong, okay, and he had said to him for the decorating a wall in his palace. And in his palace he has decorated a wall, and on that painting he has painted things very as the living beings. When emperor had seen, he admired much more. He had seen a lot of waterfalls, mountains, a lot of living things in this wall, and roads also become very happy. Then painter said, look the cave. And when emperor had seen the cave, then he had also said, for enter in this cave have a lot of foot of mountains. Then emperor went there inside, and where he has seen a lot of strange things. But emperor as well as try to speak a word, and he want to come out from this painting, this wall. Then the existence route become block. The entrance and exit, all the routes become blocked. And after that that painting become disappear, and nothing being left there, even a shine, a symbol of brush of Donaggio, nothing remain there, and painter also become disappear. In this way a lot of strange stories given, and once a story also given, there such stories played much more, strange stories taken from Chinese, and it's much more taken from the book Confucia from China. A painter also has draw a painting of a dragon, but he have fear, if he will make the eyes of this dragon, then it will be flew away. So he had not drawn the eyes of the dragon. Okay, these type of stories given in much more Chinese books, and much more taken from a lot of foreign countries story. Okay, in 15th century, a master, a blacksmith, called Quentin Matle, fell in love with a painter daughter, and that time the father of that girl was not agree to married his daughter with a person who is such in his profession. Okay, but that that boy had went on that studio, and he had drawn there a picture, and there that girl came also as the apprentice, and they had got married, and in this way he had married with his beloved. Okay, and become a most popular painter of his age. In this way a world of illusions, they got the different type of paintings, and these things they have explained, the writer have explained in this chapter about it. During these explanations of a lot of stories given about it, also man is also a means source of communication between the earth and sky, means earth and heaven, the both poles of the universe. It's also means you can say bounded by the human beings, means human beings can relate them universe, the earth and earth from the sky, these things. And an Indian Asian painter also was there given, Nek Chand, who has also painted in his painting about the rock mountains, and he has painted there about the landscapes, and very beautiful scenes were there. Nek Chand have means made it in Chandigarh, and he has also painted very strange painting there, and on that painting it looks things like living. 80 years old painter Nek Chand has also means painted the rock garden and women's of with the waterfall. And by these creation he become much more famous, not in India, in other countries also. And UNESCO and European countries based pioneer type of magazines, his those pictures were coming, and he got the 5 months interactive show and honor will be by the international countries. And after that means a lot of award when means they have promised, then he expresses that means people's enjoy and seeing my pictures is my best reward, means he have satisfaction and happiness by these creations. So means the sum up of this chapter is that means if anyone is painter, musician, artist, anything else, this type of divine quality, it comes itself from the heaven. It's due to the contribution of the great muse of goddess Saraswati. Okay, peoples cannot do it forcefully, it's their own creation, and people got much more satisfaction by these things. And creative mind is also a such type of divine things. Okay, thanks.